This is Carson McDonald, number 303. In today's lesson, I'm working with rangui spikes. And you can find this in the Book of Samurai, Volume 1, on page 357. It's right at the beginning of chapter 24. And this is in the scrolls of the Ipe Yoko, which are important points for the independent soldier. So, if I read a short excerpt from the book, it says the enemy may have hidden rangui spikes or sakamogi. Excuse me if I mispronounce that, but these are thorny branches in the water. Their presence may be indicated by swirls or ripples on the surface of the water above them, and the water may sometimes have color. So they do talk about in the book the color in the water would be, I need murkier water. So I just did this for visual purpose, nice clear water, but I would want to try to make this water murky or fine murkier water. They also talk about thorny branches, which I would weave in between these to add to the defensive measures of it. And then they also talk about, like, if you're crossing the water, you should be looking for ripples to be aware that there could be this sort of thing set up. And you can actually see the ripples here by doing this. So that's what this kind of training does. You get out there, you actually do it, you can see the small details you might not see or experience just by reading about it. So I am arranging this in a specific pattern, and it says on page 358, spikes should be put in arrangements of 5 as shown below, and it's in like a 5-dot pattern you'd see on 6-sided dice. So there they are. Yeah, so really cheap to do this. I had fun trying it out. It was very interesting, and I hope you guys will all give it a try. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.